Keratosis pilaris is a common, harmless skin condition that causes dry, rough patches and tiny bumps, usually on the upper arms, thighs, cheeks or buttocks. The bumps generally don't hurt or itch. Keratosis pilaris can occur at any age, but it's more common in young children. Signs and symptoms include painless tiny bumps, typically on the upper arms, thighs, cheeks or buttocks. Dry, rough skin in the areas with bumps. Worsening when seasonal changes cause low humidity and skin tends to be dry. Sandpaper-like bumps resembling goose flesh. Keratosis pilaris results from the buildup of keratin, a hard protein that protects skin from harmful substances and infection. The keratin forms a scaly plug that blocks the opening of the hair follicle. Usually many plugs form, causing patches of rough, bumpy skin. No one knows exactly why keratin builds up, but it may occur in association with genetic diseases or with other skin conditions, such as atopic dermatitis. Dry skin tends to worsen this condition. Banish My Bumps provides you answers to practical, homemade and natural solutions that anyone living in any part of the world can easily perform. In this KP Remedy Secrets ebook, it will guide you through every step to getting the clear skin you so long for, and it will explain why everything is going to work for you. This Keratosis pilaris cure guide has been tested by many other people who have met with this chronic skin condition, and just after 2 weeks, all of the illness was gone. No more bumps, no more redness and no more trying to cover up under long sleeves in 90-degree weather. If you would like to check out this 100% natural fast Keratosis pilaris cure, just click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for the best treatment videos.